Students, today we are going to discuss about EVS of class 2nd. Chapter name is keeping clean. Okay students, so we live in a clean and healthy surrounding. Okay, so we all depends our surrounding for air, food and shelters. Okay, so we should always keep our house and surrounding clean and neat. Cleanness around us. We keep our house clean to get rid of dust, germs and dust. Okay, but what will happen if our surroundings are not clean? You can look near the picture. Okay, there would be garbage everywhere. You can look here, there would be garbage everywhere, leading to growth of germs and diseases. But now tell me students, why is there garbage in our surrounding? First, because of people throwing garbage anywhere they feel like. Okay. Second, people are spitting on the road. Third, they throw kitchen waste in open areas. Fourth, plastic garbage blocks the drains. Fifth, water is allowed to stand on garbage. It leads to flies, mosquitoes and diseases. Okay, so now how you will clean your surrounding? Okay, how you will keep your surrounding clean and tidy? Here are some points. First one, we will not throw garbage here and there on the road. Always throw garbage in the dustbin. Second, always use dustbin to throw waste. Okay, use always dustbin to throw waste. Third one, throw kitchen waste into compost bins. This waste converts into manure. Manure is good for growth of plants. Fourth, recycle the waste garbage. Recycles old and torn toys, books, etc. Fifth, tree purify air. As you all know that students, tree purify air. We should always save trees by saving papers. Okay, and how you will save papers? Whenever you use your copy, use both sides of pages. Okay. 6. Keep the drains covered. You should always keep the drains covered. 7th, do not let water stand. It may give rise to mosquitoes and flies. Every house produces a large amount of waste every day. A lot of this waste can be reused. Okay. In many places we have color-coded dustbins. Okay. In many places we have color-coded dustbin for specific garbage. Okay, so here are the color-coded dustbin. This dustbin separate the waste from recycling so that it can be used again. Paper, glass, plastics and metals. And last point, never litter in public place. We should never litter in public place. We should always throw our wastage things in the dustbins. Okay, we should keep our homes and surrounding clean and tidy. And so students, what you understand from this chapter? That we should keep our house and surrounding clean and tidy. We should always use a dustbin to throw garbage. Never throw garbage here and there, and never spit on the road. And remember students, plastic garbage always blocks the drains. So we should not litter the road. So students, till then keep learning. Thank you.